Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 2, Granny's Tree Climbing, written by Ruskin Bond. It's a poem, and the poet is Ruskin Bond. As the name suggests, Granny's Tree Climbing, it means Granny ka tree pe चढ़ना. So now we are going to read some lines or something about the life of Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond was born on 19 May 1934, is an Indian author. He was awarded the Sahitya Academy Award in 1992. Ruskin Bond is an Indian writer or Indian poet or author. He was awarded the Sahitya Academy Award. Sahitya Academy Award is one of the prestigious awards in India. He was awarded the prestigious Padma Shri Award in 1999. Even he also awarded Padma Shri Award. After that, he was awarded with Padma Bhushan also, and these three awards are the prestigious awards of India, which was awarded to Ruskin Bond. So today's poem is framed by Ruskin Bond. Here are some difficult words from the chapter. First one is in a trice. In a trice is a phrase that means very quickly. Undaunted. Undaunted means firmly and enthusiastically. Chore. We do not call it core. It's chore. Its pronunciation is chore and it means job. Example is household chores, means ghar ke kaam. Sherry. Sherry is a kind of wine or alcohol. In state. In state means in grand style. So, as you all know, this is a poem. For framing a poem, poet needs to use poetic devices or literary devices. So, we are going to study about one poetic device, that is rhyme scheme, because in your this poem there is one question about the rhyme scheme of the poem, and you have to solve it by your own self by understanding this definition of rhyme and some examples. Poetic devices are the devices which are used by a poet to frame a poem. So rhyme is the popular literary device in which the repetition of the similar sounding words occurring at the end of lines in poems. Rhyme is a popular literary device in which the repetition of similar sounding words at the end of the lines in a poem. पोम की जो लाइन्स हैं उन्हें हम वर्स बोलते हैं. जैसे हमटी डम्टी सेट ऑन अ वॉल, इट्स अ लाइन ऑफ अ पोम, but we call it, in poetic language, we call it verse. A rhyme is a tool utilizing repeating patterns that bring rhythm or musically to poems. Rhyme जो है, जैसे Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall, last one, the last word or last sound of the in a verse of the poem that bring rhythm to poem, those words are called rhyme. For example, or for instance, all nursery rhymes contain rhyming words in order to facilitate learning for children as they enjoy reading them. राइमिंग वर्ड्स जो हैं वो नर्सरी राइम्स में भी दिए जाते हैं ताकि बच्चों को या स्टूडेंट्स को उनको पढ़ने में इंजॉय कर सके और उनको थोड़ा ईजी लगे. वी टेक वन पोम हियर और वन स्टैंजा फ्रॉम द पोम हियर. हम्टी डम्टी सैट ऑन अ वॉल. वॉल, लास्ट इस वर्स में लास्ट वर्ड इज वॉल एंड साउंड क्या है? ल. हम्टी डम्टी हैड अ ग्रेट फॉल. ल ल. वी ऑलवेज गेव ए. to the first line or first verse of the poem. So Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. These are the similar sounding words. So we also give it A. All the king's horses and all the king's men. Men is different from wall, lo sound. So here the sound is lo, no. So we give it B. Couldn't put Humpty together again. Men. Sound is no. Again. Sound is no. So here B. So we give it B. If there is wall, fall, there is a word is tall. So we give this one. We give A to this tall. But here the rhyming word is similar to no. So we give it similar like this. Similar one, the B. So the rhyming scheme of this stanza is AABB. AABB. Let's take another example. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow. Snow. Oh, snow. So we give it A. As you all know, we give A to the first verse. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. Snow, go. So similar one, AA. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rule. Rule is different from O. So B. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. Rule, school, similar to rule is B. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lounged near. Near is the different one, so we give it C. And waited patiently about till Mary did appears. Appear, near appear. C and C. So rhyme scheme is AABBCC. AABBCC. So here I'm going to end my today's lecture here. You have to solve some of the questions from this chapter on the basis of this definition